You ready for this?
For what? Cold, bro.
So hopefully this works. Rubbing alcohol to get the module off because we don't have the heat gun with us.
I got the blue chews. We got a little unboxing view. Look at that. Oh. Check this out. There should be two of them in here. These are the DRLs, the yellow DRLs that everybody likes running in the cars now. You see, G20, 2023 plus. Me personally, both my color and my regular ass headlights, I think that this is fine how it is. These things look better on darker color cars, like Drive It Gray and anything a little bit darker. I would even push like a skyscraper gray, would be dope, but black, it'll be fire. Yeah, that's personally what I think. 150 10mm screws later. People gonna go, oh man, it's only 12, it's supposed to be 13. You got still one hanging out. I know, we gonna find out. I got one more left down there when I try to pull it off and it don't come off.
It come off.
Yo, the comment section be brutal, bro.
I know. I was looking at Eamon's thing the other day and I was like, yo, what? That's racist.
Bad comments?
Huh? Son, I looked at one of the comments and said, yo, I know you do engineering or some sort of tech, but what do the two black guys do for a living? I'm like, what?
You scam.
Plug and play. Everybody wants to do.
You said what?
Truck is disgusting.
Nobody don't care about that.
You want rubbing alcohol? I don't even.
Nice and slow.
Obviously, we do a YouTube thing, but like.
Got mad Bmw niggas just popping up at the crib now.
If we weren't talking so much, I think we would have been there already.
But I heard on the G20, this shit is like
A
bit intense
With
No?
what?
in terms of installing. Like,
For that one, the pre-L set, this is easier than that one.
oh,
That one, yours, I think you have to drill a hole actually in yours. Or there's some other way you gotta go around it. You gotta maneuver around it. That's the thing.
Definitely ain't drill no holes in there.
So how you like it?
brother, let me tell you.
Oh, you
Just
stage
now you're
2
about to
now?
YouTube now.
Yeah. So how much power with OTS stage 2?
Yeah, 93.
Okay, okay. So what, you gonna drop some E in there?
Y'all, I'm thinking about it.
Yo, I'm telling you right now, you drop some E in that motherfucker?
That's it.
You wanna go do that now?
Don't let. So let me tell you what happened when that. Let's go. Yeah, let's do it. And this motherfucker got all of his story of you hitting the wall. Bah! I told him not to hit the gas.
You could throw E in it though.
Nah, yo, just enjoy your power
Enjoy it,
like
that's
that, bro. I'm telling you right now, don't listen to people like that.
It's clutch. It be the little things.
So I just tacked on the thing with one screw. I want to test it out to make sure I didn't screw things up. Hit a button.
Oh shit! I'm not gonna lie to you, that look nice.
Damn. Yo, one thing I never noticed.
Yeah, I know, that's cool. I didn't realize that until then.
That's yeah, I thought it was always a reflection.
That's cool.
Here's this update. My man just gave up and took off the tire. I mean, honestly, this is smart. I should have did it myself. Here you go.
My hand ain't fitting in this bitch.
Now the drill gonna fit.
Should be good because the person who does live there, they ain't here, so it'll be alright.
Oh, my whole head fit in this joint. You ready?
Yep.
I'll be honest, nothing lit up. I had this launch scanner. You should always disconnect the battery. That's probably rule number 1. We probably left that out. We did leave it out. We didn't. That light was malfunctioning. It threw a little malfunction code in the thing. Luckily, this thing right here, we went in. I'll show you. If we go to it, my man's car's all up. No. You go here, LED main light left. We had 2 faults. Resistor error, blah, 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 blah. We tapped that bad boy. I thought I tapped it. Okay, that's what we did. Look. You could do all sorts of things. Read codes, clear codes, actuation tests. So what I did was, I cleared the code and did an actuation test. So boom, look at that. It's almost like it didn't happen. Read it again, no fault codes. And you can do actuation tests, move the lights around, reset control unit. Oh, that's what I did. I reset the control unit. So we all good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, it's working?
Yes.
Damn, your shit died right there. Lifeline.
Yo.
I'm tired. I figured I'd wake up and start filming something, you know? I'm not gonna show them what I did in the front. I'm not gonna show them what I did in the front. You can't even see it. Oh look, you can't even see it with all the soap. The seats, there's the armrest, and the steering wheel is shiny as shit. I wanna unshiny them bad boys. I'm over here talking about these little marks, little rock chip joints, bro. And I just smoked the whole bottom of that joint. Well, I guess I'm keeping it.
All for the cracks and creases.
You said what?
I said all the cracks and the creases are mad dirt. You can see here from the wear.
Oh yeah, that's from getting in and out.
Yeah, you can't really avoid it in these seats.
Nah, yo, every single BMW I've seen with miles have that on there.
Yep.
That wear right there. I just didn't want the seats shiny or the steering wheel shiny anymore, you know?
Yeah.
Sir, we back. Look at that. Steering wheel, no more shininess. Everything is good. Wow. Yes, sir. Even the gear shifter is matte. Let's get him out of here. I just got my car washed and now I'm in a fucking WRX. What gear am I in?
It tells you over the mall.
Oh shit. I done went in the wrong gear, didn't I?
Yeah, you went too fast.
Yo, this is kind of short. You got this long pause on there. You know what I'm saying?
Have a short throw, bro.
yeah. Yo, honestly though, this thing is a lot faster than y'all be leading off though.
Yeah, because
Y'all be driving these things too slow, man.
No. We're driving next to you. So yeah, it looks slow, nigga.
I can feel a surge in this thing, the boost. Did we do this in
Yeah, we did that.
I can't stall for the, you know what I mean? I can't stall for my guys, you know what I'm saying?
I know it's down for the last, though.
This my guy right here. Everybody laughing at the M340 videos. This is his car. I should, yo, what? Yo, we should put a big turbo on this and do the same video on the M340. And then blow the engine up.
Chill. I still like this car.
Woo! Yo, that all-wheel drive is something different.
Told you.
I'd have been in their house right now with my shit, son. What is this? This is a 200 wheel? What is it, 250 wheel? What is this coming factory?
You know how to stop disrespecting. It's like 270.
Yeah. Confidence in this is lovely.
Yeah.
Woo, yo. Yeah, the turbos. Yeah. You don't want the smoke, the turbo smoke, the exhaust smoke, the engine smoke. Oh shit, I did it again. I was about to put the bitch in 6th gear. Hold on. Yo,
My man, you about to take this nigga a car, bro.
nah, yo, that amount of smoke is normal?
Listen. Nah.
This thing is fire though, be honest, yo.
I love it.
This thing is nice, I like it though. Had to be the BMW to make it hot, bro. But check out my man WRX. This thing looks, yo, especially on the at night, the cameraman got the TE Feezies, the Feezies on there. Look at that, the feet. Yo, my man's, yo, it's the wallet, bro. Yo, it's the wallet. Yo, bro, pull up. Yo, pull up right here. Pull up in here. Yeah, yo, you probably want to get a thumbnail like this too. Ooh. Let me be ready. Yeah. Oh, I mean, my bad. Press a button.
Oh, that's funny.
Yo, you know what's crazy? You can barely see the yellow.
Yeah, when the headlights is on.
But I like it like this though too, though. It looks crazy. Shit, nice.
It like it belong like that.
We got the transmission out the STI. What is it? 7275 turbo. Straight back. Straight back.
Straight.
The exhaust actually come out the front.
Thank you.
Huh? Yeah, I'm about to burn the clutchy. yo, look how I gotta put it in reverse, son. So
No, that's him. That's him.
I call it, yo, bro, I call this the Ayo. I call this the Ayo.
That's him.
Son, look. Normally, for BMW, you just push down and go over easy. But he got the Ayo on here. So now you gotta
Put a lockout,
go
bro.
over one head. How you go up and around? Oh, I can do it with one. I can do it with one. Wow.
Yo, what? Told you.
We straighten it out.
You can't see anything.
I know.
The flickies on this one. Hold on.
It's off now.
Bottom? Nah, but the bottom still go.
Yeah, the bottom stay on.
Look, and just stick the hydrant on. Now I'm about to turn it back on. So wait, this is how you normally drive those DRLs?
Yeah, that's how I know job.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, yo. Your boy did wait a minute. Your boy did 2 light installs, baby. You know? I know y'all don't be wanting to see the WRX stuff, so I gotta blend it in and make y'all watch it. So I title MD40 and then stick a WRX in this bad bitch, boy. All we missing is a GD2 that's stock. Where'd it go? I parked it up.
He want to drive.
I ain't like driving that shit, bro. Follow my guy, cause he's vlogging right now. What's the thing?
Blended gray, BLENDEDGREY_.
Nobody gonna watch that long,
I know.
so we gonna put
We
the
just gonna
thing
leave that
below.
there.
Yeah. Hit the link.
Nah,
What do you think, though?
believe it or not, bro, I'm gonna leave them on for the winter,
Uh-huh.
change it back for the summer.
Yeah, so when are you gonna change it back to regular?
I feel like it's a seasonal thing, bro. I don't know if I'm particular about certain
Hey,
things
listen.
or whatever, but I feel like it's a seasonal thing.
You got something else, too. My man got something else. You got in the trunk? You got that work. You got an extra little secret mod.
Well, that's in the crib.
It's in the crib. You supposed to put it in the trunk and give the viewers something to, I mean? He about to pop the trunk and it not be in the trunk. What's gonna be in the trunk? A body? I know how y'all get down up here.
Don't look at none of the.
Oh, wait, so it's really in the trunk, though?
They was
Nah,
in
that's
the
too
trunk.
small.
Nah. And I got something else.
Wait, what's this? This a JB4?
Nigga,
Nah, this is a JB. It feel like a, hold on.
I thought about it, JB4, believe it or
Nah,
not.
hell, I'm about to close this video out in between a WRX and some bird shit. It got me out here in a tough spot. Get up out of here. But yeah. So I hope y'all like the lights
It's hot, bro.
and the damage on the M4. Cause yo, did I show you I messed up the M4? I'll show you a picture. And the WRX. So
We still gotta do the brakes.
we gotta do the brake.
Eventually.
And we gotta do his wife's car, bro. My man's wife's car need everything under the sun, my stuff.
That's bad, bro.